Hey guys, Sylwia here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my MetaClone review. So MetaClone by Coolice, and this product is already live. It's gone live today, so on the 22nd of December. Right, so I am right on the sales page of MetaClone, guys, and in this review we'll check out the sales page. I'll show you the product, I'll show you what it looks like. This is actually the review access to this product. Okay, and you will really download it as a zip file, so you will have all of everything needed to install the software, which will allow you, okay, to create beautifully looking affiliate sites that would, be connected to all sorts of expensive products from Apple, Amazon, Samsung, Dell, Microsoft, this and that, okay? So it would be like the selling, the sort of like a store, right? Like an e-commerce store, really, kind of. Now, obviously, you need to know how to drive traffic to it. Now, I'll give you some bonuses as well on how to, drive traffic, how to, lay solid foundation to affiliate marketing, how to generate traffic, and how to do email marketing. Plus, and I would say, if you're a newbie, perhaps this is not a product for you. You need to know a thing or two about driving traffic. Also, but I do not mean to dishearten or discourage you if you really like this product and you kind of like a newbie. You could still pick it up because the vendor, the Coolice says that, he will give you all of the support you need with the installation and all of that. And also, if for whatever reason you decide this is not for you, you get the 30 days money back guarantee. He says here, if you use MetaClone and experience any issues, or if for any reason you are unsatisfied, just let me know. If I cannot make things right and resolve your issues, I will happily refund your payment. Okay, guys? He comes across as quite a genuine vendor, okay, and he will also give you a bonus on how to, drive traffic, how to, he says obviously to make your purchase complete with MetaClone, you will also receive free installation, okay, and customer support as well as free product updates. It's a self-updating website. It's like a cool thing about it. We'll go through the features in a sec. It's really and looking beautiful, and you actually have the the actual demo of this product on the sales page, which is super transparent. I love it. I'll show you everything in a sec, guys. Hold your horses. Okay, so he says in order to make this product complete, okay, you'll receive free installation and customer support, as well as free product updates as the platform grows and we improve on it and make it even better. So, it really sounds like it's going to be an evergreen product, and he will keep on improving it, which is always good, okay? Not one of those shiny objects. I mean, those are, those vendors who just kind of release a shiny object, really, and as soon as they've made the sales, they move on to creating another shiny object, forgetting about support and all of that. So that's crap. So anyhow, he says, to make it even more interesting and easy, I'm including a secret bonus that's all about traffic. So you're getting a bonus on traffic, guys, plus you're getting my courses on how to create even more traffic and lay solid foundation to affiliate marketing, because at the end of the day it's all about affiliate marketing. Here you would be like an affiliate marketer to those expensive digital products, expensive phones, expensive computers, laptops, tablets, cameras, and all of that, okay? And even though on Amazon you don't get much commission, okay, for whatever you promote as an affiliate, here you would be selling, really, promoting, selling. This is a store, an online store, sort of. Well, it's an affiliate site, right? You'd be selling very expensive products. So even 5% of, even if it's 5% of 1,000 is what? Obviously, you know, $50, right? And that's quite a bit. So, yeah, you know, that's interesting and sounds quite lucrative. But with this secret bonus, which would be all about traffic, yeah, you would learn a lot about traffic, and this vendor is very, very experienced when it comes to promoting Amazon products. Super experienced. I'll show you his profile now, maybe. So let me show you. And he only has 3 upsells. I mean, actually 2 upsells. Okay. One is unlimited and the other one is custom built. So he will make like a custom website for you in whatever niche you want. I'll show you the upsells later, but let me just show you his profile, because that's also very important. Now check out his profile. I mean, his score, 4.5 out of 5. Okay, that's a very, very good score. People love his products, apparently. And his products are quite pricey, as you can see, guys. They're 67, okay, the usual price. So whenever he launches, he just launched, he already made 10 sales. Whenever he launches, he obviously gives you a good discount, so it's 37. And then after the launch, you know, I'm pretty sure the price will jump to 67. So really the best time to buy it is now. Okay, guys, now you can check out the sales page below my review. By all means, I am promoting it because even though, like, you know, I will not tell you this is going to make you money. No, it will help you make money. No software makes money for you. But this software, the site that this software will create for you, you know, you will have to install it, obviously. I'll show you everything that you will find inside of this product. Looks absolutely amazing, okay? Really, really beautiful. He really focuses on how to sell the product, how to make the offer irresistible. So you see, like even here, you can click, you know, on the sales page to check out the live demo. So check this out, how sleek it is looking. I mean, I've never really seen a beautiful website like this. Okay, quite a product, I must say. I like it a lot. So you see here, you have links to all of the expensive products. Okay, you know, it would all be connected to, say, your Amazon. You know, it would be connected to your Amazon affiliate links, obviously. So you see. Okay, so for example, like if there's a product somebody, you know, who lands on this site finds interesting, they go inside, and then they will be taken to Amazon, and from there they can read about this product and purchase from you see, they have really 2 options, so not much distraction going on. Is very smartly, you know, done, this site. So you can, you know, you go to buy now on Amazon or add to cart on Amazon. It takes them straight to the Amazon account. So that's what your site would look like. And you see, like, okay, let me go back. At the end of the site, you'd have all of the links to, you know, all of the brands. They, you know, your traffic could be potentially interested in checking out. All of the legal stuff, all of that is, you know, already there. The privacy policy, terms of use, sales and refunds, all of that, all of the legality behind it is sorted out for you. I mean, it's looking lovely. That's all I can say. And yes, so they say it's 100% newbie friendly, no tech skills or experience needed. As I said, like, you know, if you're a complete newbie, you have like 0 experience or idea about what affiliate marketing is, I don't know if I would recommend it to you. I mean, you can check it out, but it may be a little bit overwhelming. On the other side, he does say he will do the installing for you. And then, yeah, you'll need to give it some time, go through the training that the bonus he delivers on traffic, learn about how to really promote, how to bring eyeballs to the site first, okay? But the cool thing is that it's 100% self-updating with the latest trends and new products, best deal and new content. That's really like an amazing feature that comes with this product. And it's like obviously ultra high resolution images and videos from, I mean, you saw the website, right? The live demo. Okay, I love the sales page, like every single word that I have read on the sales page, I can tell it comes from the vendor, he talks about his own experience with promoting Amazon products, how much money he's made from it. Okay, and he was kind of like getting bored with just getting the commission from promoting Amazon products, and he's just creating product around what he has been doing, okay, for a decade, I believe. So, Coolice. Experienced guy. Right, now let me show you what the product will look like. So this is, that's how it would really be delivered to you. So what you need to do is just click here to download it. And once you've done so, it would be downloaded, okay, as a zip folder, and all of the information you need to install it, and create this, affiliate site for these, very, very lucrative, sort of lucrative, luxurious, expensive products with very, very, high commissions. Affiliate commissions would be here. So you have the installation. So let me just open it up for you. So you see, you have it all written down in steps, how you install it. And he says problems with the installation, contact me here and I will handle the installation for you free of charge. Okay, so that's it, guys. You have it, and you have all of the files here that you need, that you would be installing, and you have the, the license here, and the README. So, yeah, okay, so that's what it would look like. And now, why is Canva opening up for me? There was something else I wanted to show you. I don't want to make this review too long, but yeah, the sales page is like the front end for now. It's 37. It's gonna jump to 67, I am pretty sure, after the launch. And it's only like 4 days of launch, I believe. So today is the 22nd of December. The last day is the 25th or the 26th. So it's not a very long, like 1 week launch period, okay? So I would say hurry up if you want to pick it up. You can pick it up from me, by all means. I am promoting it. I find it quite cool. And now upsell number 1 is 67, so it's unlimited license to use MetaClone on unlimited number of websites and domain names, bigger database of products and content, self-updating every hour automation setup. And you will have this, inside of this product, it will be all explained to you how to install this self-automation feature. Okay, so yeah, all will be explained to you very, very thoroughly. You will get new design and template for MetaClone, never seen before, inspired by laser, black and green, comes in amazing graphics. Inspired by laser, not really sure what that means. Free customization requests, handling any changes or requests that you may have. So yeah, you will get sort of premium support with this OTO number 1. And then the second and the last upsell is for $197, a bit pricey, but this is about creating your custom niche store, so in whatever niche you want. and he will create this customized, right, site for your website. So done for you, unique and custom store based on any niche, sub-niche, or specific keyword or product category. And the custom graphics, content, and features will be included. So it will be done personally by the vendor. Alright guys, so yeah, go check it out. If you like it, you can buy it via the link below my review. I'm gonna give you some cool free courses as well, you know, on affiliate marketing, which will help you with traffic generation. So yeah, check it out, guys. For now, that's it. I shall see you in my next review. That was my MetaClone review. Cool product, I believe. Right product. It's the right product for the right person, I believe. Alright. Ciao. Love you and leave you. I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.